Fact Software Overview. When Mr. Arvind Agarwala embarked on the Fact Software journey more than 25 years ago, he had a small team and a big vision. That vision was real-time accounting and no duplication. Fact's vision today is, in today's complex business environment, no company can run its business by transaction anymore. It must manage by exception. Fact Software has developed the much-loved Fact ERP.NG, Fact CRM.NG, and the Fact Infinity platform. With over 100,000 companies using our software in over 40 countries, our success stems from delivering our vision at an exceptional value for our customers. Fact is a Singapore-based company with direct presence in Malaysia, the Philippines, India, the UAE, Nepal, and Bangladesh, and we are actively growing in new regions. Join thousands of customers across the globe who have graduated from simple accounting software and those who have moved away from expensive and complicated products. We welcome you to our growing Fact family.